Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XV900 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not working, if it's not responding, if it seems to be disconnecting, if it's not pairing with Bluetooth, issues like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because the pairing history will be deleted off of here. And that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe the pairing history, all the settings, and just get this set up like it's a brand new speaker, we can go ahead and do that quite simply. All we need to do is make sure that the speaker is turned on, because it will not work if the speaker is not turned on. And then with the speaker turned on, we're going to come and press and hold the play pause button and the mega bass button simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. After that period of time, the speaker will shut off, indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and release the two buttons, and then just go ahead and press the power button, turn the speaker back on, and set it up like a brand new speaker.